Here I have an electric stove. The light bulb does work, but it doesn't turn on. And we can turn on. And the flame intensities here, we turn that, but you can see the light is not working. Here's the internal circuit. We have a big pot here, goes into this circuitry here. It looks like it has a MOSFET there, so that could either be the issue. Not too sure yet. We'll have to see if we're getting voltage and stuff. So what I did was I took off the lamp, and there's this little circuit board that uses some sort of MOSFET, and if I connect it here, the light turns on. So this is the circuit board that controls the light, and we have a triac right in here. It's a SI115-MBK. It's about 600 volts, 8 amp triac. And this regulates the brightness there. So the lamp goes here, we have live and neutral, and that regulates that. So it's probably a bad triac, so we'll have to remove that. And I have replacement triacs here. This is 4 amp 600, so we'll see if that works here.